Today we will be teaching you how to make Easter eggs. The items you will need are eggs, vinegar, dyeing tablets, white crayons, spoons, bowls, stickers, tinfoil, tape, and rubber bands.
The first egg that we are doing today is a pattern that appears after it has been dyed. For this egg, you will need an egg, a white crayon, and a dye tablet and vinegar, which we have already done. All you need to do for this egg is draw whatever you'd like. I personally drew some stars, hearts, and polka dots. Now that I have finished drawing on my egg, I stick it into the pink dye for about 5 to 10 minutes.
We will now be making a rubber band Easter egg. You need an egg, rubber band, and coloring of your choice. Take your hard-boiled egg, wrap it snugly in rubber bands in your desired pattern, and then place in the coloring. Leave for 5 to 10 minutes. Remove, let dry, and take off rubber bands.
For this egg, you'll need a pack of stickers and the dye. Take the stickers and distribute them across the egg to make a pattern. Dip the egg in the dye, and once the egg has been in for a few minutes, take it out and peel the stickers off. For this one, they were a little too sticky, but the pattern turned out pretty nice.
For this egg, you will need tinfoil. Take a piece of tinfoil and wrap it around the egg. Then you dip the egg inside of the dye and leave it there for a few minutes. Take it out and unwrap the egg from the tinfoil.
The final egg we will be showing you how to do is a dual dye egg. You will need an egg, coloring, and something to hold up your egg. You first will place the egg in the holder and dip half of it into coloring of your choice. Hold it there for about 1.5 minutes. Remove from the first coloring and flip the egg on your holder. Place into the second coloring of your choice, and again, leave it there for about 1.5 minutes. Once complete, allow to dry.
Thank you for watching. Have an excellent Easter.